Speakers, and those of you that speak and also create workshops and programs, I'm coming at you today with how to use AI to generate more rate or a higher rate and a higher gig fee. It can also help you secure more gigs. I'm going to share with you 7 different areas that you can utilize AI right now without being an expert to help you enhance or increase the rate that you get and the amount of speaking opportunities that you might receive, or the keynotes that you can get. So step 1 is you want to use AI to help you get a list of everything that's an expense. When I work with people on the pricing formula, the number one thing that takes about 2 weeks is coming up with all of the expenses that are available to be written off with your business. Have AI help you. Run a simple prompt that says, create a checklist or create a list of every single expense that's available to a speaker that's able to be written off or tax deferred. So that's a good place to start. It probably is going to open your eyes a little bit because, like I said, 85% at least of everyone that I speak with, they don't come with a complete list the first time that they come back with me. Step 2, you want to ask it to help you define your niche narrowly. You want to ask AI to help you define that niche. The narrower your niche, the more you're going to get paid, the faster you're going to get accepted. People are looking for specific topics and specific outcomes. The narrower your niche is, or your niche, it's the old analogy, right? Who gets paid more, the general practitioner or doctor? Make it narrower, you get more gigs, you get paid more, and it's easier to find those gigs. Step 3, have it help you to brainstorm your 60-second opening on your talk. You know the impact that gets made is in that first 60 seconds. You either bring them in with you and you get them excited and they want to stick with you, or they start rolling their eyes right off the bat. So have it help you or refine or enhance that first 60-second opening that you have. You can do this per talk, which is the nice thing about AI. You type in who's the audience, what is it that you're talking about, what's the outcome they're going to walk away with, what's the biggest problem that's going to be addressed in this talk, and then boom, punch it in as a prompt, and what you get back is going to help you refine it. And then you put your flavor into it to define it even better and put your personality and passion and emotion into it. AI can really help you with that. It can't create it because it doesn't have the same thing you do, which is this, but it can help you get it in alignment with the biggest impact possible. Step 4, you want to create your speaker's one-page sheet through AI. It can do a much better job than what we can on our own. Not only in the information that it puts in, but also in the way that it's laid out. If you put your logo in, if you put your brand colors in, if you put any information about your business in, or actually you can do this, you can have it scrape the internet on you and then have it create that one-page speaker sheet for you. You go in and you edit and you do all the changes necessary, and definitely take the hyphens and any emojis, because if you don't train it not to do that, it just loves doing it, as you know, right? Who do you want to hire if you're hiring a speaker? Somebody that's on topic, it's going to solve a problem, they know what the people are going to walk away with, but they want to hire a professional that's confident and has their stuff together. AI can help you do that. Even if you feel you have it, I'd run it all through, because what you'll find is it'll probably tweak it up a little notch, which means more fees, more keynote that you're going to get paid for in the gig. Number 5, have it create a 1-paragraph bio so that it's easily handed off. The decision makers don't want a long novel. They don't want to read several paragraphs. They want to get to the point in 1 paragraph. AI can help you make that. What I would do with a prompt is I would type into the prompt that you want a 1-paragraph bio, but have it add emotional triggers to it. When you can have emotional triggers attached to anything written, it emotionally triggers something inside of us, the reader. You want to have that in there. Next one, This is for a little bit of advance. If you don't have an editor for your videos, there's a couple of programs out there and they're AI driven that can edit and enhance and put subtitles and graphics and the whole thing for your demo video. You absolutely want a demo video. My recommendation personally is you can use AI to help you create some of the outline for it. But if you can find a really good editor, this is one that AI only if you need it. They're really good, but an editor that's a human puts their impact. They understand you. They can have a conversation with you and know what type of impact you want to deliver. And AI doesn't put that emotion into it that I've seen yet. But if you don't have it and you can't afford the human, AI is absolutely a really good choice for you because you do need that demo video. Hey, before I get too much further, I help speakers grow their business to transition from speakers to running a speaking business. And I use pricing as a tool, and I introduce it to you as a tool for growth. I created a program called the Pricing for Profit Formula, and it will show you not only what you need to charge today, but it shows you exactly what you need to charge to hire that up-level team of people that you need, that you don't have to spend a ton of time training, that will enhance your business, that will help you get more gigs, that will do all your logistics and do that admin stuff that keeps you up in the hotel after speaking and allows you to really thrive in your gift, which is preparing the impact and doing your talks. Back to the next step here. You want it to help you create your next steps message. Once you have a conversation with someone, once the interest is there, they're going to ask you to send over some things. In addition to those things, your one page, your bio, your proposal, right? Which AI will help you with. You want to have the next steps laid out clearly. So you want a proposal with impact. You want a proposal with your logos, with your brand colors, and with impact messages laid into the proposal. I'm not talking a 3 to 5 page proposal, but I'm talking one that has impact on what you're going to deliver, what are the outcomes that they're going to walk away with, what's the problem that's being solved, right? Those things are important besides the pricing. What are the terms and conditions and prices of everything? You also want to make sure that you have your fee, your terms, your deliverables, and you want it laid out and flowing sequentially. AI can absolutely help you with that. It can make it look absolutely stunning and professional. I personally like to use Claude, and the free version will do that if you train it to remember your information. If you don't, every single time you come to it, you're going to have to repopulate the information. That's no fun. It's tiring, and we throw our hands up in the air. But if you train Claude to remember your stuff, create a project, it will help you, enhance you, and create things that just blow your mind. If you want to get higher fees, more fees for the gig rates, better keynotes, repeat business, you want to do some things. They're looking to hire somebody. Make it as easy as possible for them and make it a slam dunk with your confidence, with your information, with what you're going to deliver to them, and delivering it to them in a really professional format that AI can create instantly and save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in having it done or outsourced. So keep at it. You got this. Narrow your niche down if you need to. Get paid what you deserve. If you have a problem with that pricing thing, look at my other videos. I appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much.